Imagine this. You're scrolling online and stumble upon a website that looks like it was built in the early 2000s, plain text, basic layout, no fancy graphics. It looks terrible, right? But what if I told you some of these outdated-looking websites are making thousands, even millions, of dollars every month? Take Bored Panda, for example. It earns $100,000 a month curating viral content. But an even bigger success story is The Drudge Report, a simple news aggregation site that earns $1.2 million per month just by linking to existing news articles. With over 563 million visits per month, it thrives on simplicity and consistency. To put this in perspective, my own website, Odita Rocket Car, follows a similar model using Google AdSense, and I've earned over $9,000 from just 1,300 visitors. If you aim for 7,500 daily page views, you could hit $15,000 per month. How you can do it too: you don't need coding skills or a fancy website, just the right domain and niche. That's where online domains come in. It's SEO-friendly, easy to find, and more available than .com options. You can grab your online domain for just 99 cents using the coupon code ODETA. After securing your domain, use Google Trends to find trending topics, then post the links on your site. Once traffic picks up, sign up for Google AdSense, and ads will be placed automatically, earning you money every time someone visits. More ugly websites making big money. 1. TractorData.com earns $46,000 per month by listing 17,000 plus tractor models, proving niche content works. 2. UnitConverters.net brings in $35,000 per month with simple conversion calculators that require minimal updates. 3. LingsCars.com, a chaotic car leasing site earning $250,000 per month by standing out with humor and personality. 4. TextFiles.com, a niche archive making $15,000 per month from donations and ads, proving nostalgia sells. These websites show that success isn't about fancy design, it's about value and functionality. Get started by grabbing your online domain today, link in the description, and start building your own profitable website. Until next time, rockstars. Rocket.